welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, I'm Balafxofficial and I'm doing this for educational purposes as well. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So last week on Sunday, I released a video on Market Watch on Euro USD, and today we are going to see how it's played, because today is Saturday and I'm going to upload this video at midnight, around 11 a.m. or around 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. against Sunday. After I release the video, you're gonna watch to see how it perform, how it respect all the zone that I mark. So without wasting much time, let me get into the video so that you can see how the market respected it. And look at today's date. Look at today. Today is 2nd of September. It's not that I'm doing anything magical. And check the other day, the other one did that I do open chart. As you can see, it respected all our zones. Look at the zone. Last week I said there was M here. It respected and go up on Monday. Then on Tuesday it spike up. So these are the zone that I mark. These are the zone. Especially this red zone that I mark under here. So for you to know that is how it work, let me switch to daily time frame so that you will see what happened. So this is what happened last week. Let me see. Friday, no, let me use this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, let me divide it so that you can see what happened in the market. So here, since from this white line, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, look at what happened. Just look at what happened within the week. So on Monday, if I wish to enter this trade now, from here now on Monday, after I mark all the zone on Sunday night and send to you people, then look at how I'm going to do it. I will go back to H4 after I've marked the zone already. So even though you're a signal taker, you can follow this with risk to reward. Look at it here. The candle open here on Monday morning. Look at what happened on Monday, throughout Monday. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is candle for Monday. Then Tuesday is spike down and go up. Can you see how it work? How it respected this my zone. This is my red line that I mark. And how I think I get the red line, it was from here when I come back to this place. This place here. I think it was H1 I use. H1 level. Let me use H1. Let me see. H1 to find a zone that I got this red line. That it respected so much. Yeah. That's from H1. It's from H1 I got the line. Look at it here. H1. Engulfing cell. And come back and break and go back and test this place. This was where it closed on Friday. Last 2 weeks Friday. This is how I mark the zone from here like this. Let me see here. We don't know the feature, so this is where I mark everything. Then on Monday when market open, look at it. Look at when Monday open. Look at it spike and go up. It did not touch the red line. It did not touch the red line. It was just moving, going up. Market did not touch this red line. It was moving, going up. It was going up. It was going up. It was still going up. It's nearly to touch. Patience is the key, as we say. It's nearly to touch. Just spike and go up. Go in. Then on Tuesday morning, it just start and touch this my red line and go poof and go up. How many pips? is 900 pips. So if you're using $10, you can get 120. If you're using $10, you put here, you stack your $10 here, you are going to get not less than $100. This is what they call 1:10 risk to reward. So did you see how it works? Just what I need you to do, just to learn how to analyze. So this is what happened, the outcome of our Euro USD. And still, where it have reached here is still. Did you see the zone is so powerful, time mark? After the zone is powerful, it created engulfing cell, and it's still downgrading up in the zone. It broke out the zone. So here is how we do it. After the zone has been broken, then we wait for a test. As you can see, it's closed as strong engulfing buy. Look at it. The zone, after the zone have closed as strong engulfing buy, then it traced back to the zone. So look at another one. Poof, and go again, strong bullish engulfing buy. Then look at it, entered this zone. This zone stop it. So had it been you were afraid you didn't enter this trade from here, then here is another opportunity for you. If you want to enter the trade from this zone here, let me see. You want to buy. Let me see here. Do you see 20 pips SL? Wow. To get how many? 50 or 60 pips. Here is the pips. Look at something here, 68. This is the pip we are counting. Did you see? Now 90 plus 60. Or how many pips within a week? And look at when price reach the zone, it's still respected and turned back. After here, did you see? That's why they say trade in the zone. Trade in the zone, step by step, trade in the zone. Look at from this zone to reach this zone. As it reached this zone, it respected. Did you see how it worked? After it broke out, it closed as in bullish engulfing cell. So did you see it started to come back? So we are waiting for a retest in this zone, even though we want to buy like here. Look at what happened. After the candle have come, it broke. It was dangling in this zone. It break, it retest and go higher. So even here, don't be afraid. Even though the price has broken, just allow it to go unless you have seen a retracement. If you didn't see any retracement, don't enter. So let's see. Let's go further. Did you see after it broke? I look at retracement. This is during NFP on Friday. Did you see after it break? There must be a retracement. Retrace then and drop. So imagine you didn't enter from here, then you want to enter from here on Friday to cut your trade. Let me see how many pips. Wow, with 20 pips above, you can get 17 pips. Wow, this amazing this week. Wow, but no problem. Gradually, slowly but surely, I'm going to teach you how we do this. So this week, I'm going to mark another zone for next upper week. For this week, coming week, on Monday. Monday should be what? So I'm going to mark new zones. For Monday. Monday should be 4th. So for Monday, I will mark new zones. So try to understand and watch the videos to see how I mark the zones, how it respected it. You understand? This one is not by cramming everything. It's just step by step. Look at just from here. If I enter, but I didn't enter. I was carried away. I was trading gold. So I didn't trade this. So this is how it respected it. Poof. Poof. How many pips? Within the zone, inside the zone. 80-something pips. Just wait for your price to enter the zone. If price enter your zone, you wait and see confirmation. If you see wonders. So look at how it is. Look how it respected from here being Friday, from here being Monday. After it spike and go up on Monday, then on Tuesday it entered this red zone. It spike and go, then it do a retracement in this place. It goes up to this zone. On this zone, it bounce back. After it's bounced, it break this zone. Then it retests and drop. Did you see? From here, it break and retest, go up, break my zone, retest, go. Then from here, it retrace and come back, break the zone and retest and come. So this is what they call break and retest. And in this place, look at how we do it. If I switch to line chart, you will see something. Look at something. Look at something. I overshade this thing with many drawing items. Let me remove them so that you will not be confused. So try to watch this video. Subscribe, please, and turn on the notification bell so that we keep on doing videos like this. Because this is secret. If you want to subscribe to some other people's VIP group, signal provider, it's up to you. So this is what happened. Let me show you what happened through this brush. Look at what happened. On Monday, when it opened, it goes up. Then on Tuesday, it spike and come to my zone. Then it go break and go up my zone. Did you see it break the zone? After it break the zone, it come back to the zone. After it come back to the zone, it break. On H1, you see it break and come back, retest, then it goes up. Then it come back to the zone and break it. When it break it, it come back to the zone and go down. So what can you see here? If you can see, look, this is what happened. Did you see? Head and shoulder. This is another pattern. Me, I don't cram all this in, but it's just normal simple pattern that many people used to say. Head, shoulder, head, shoulder. This is it. This is it. But nevertheless, we thank God. Look at it. Shoulder, shoulder, head. Like your head, shoulder, shoulder. So that is it for today. And my setup has worked really well. So try and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more future videos like this. As I'm going to release the next analysis. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to screenshot and send it to the Telegram group and WhatsApp group so that you can see how it reacted. Then I'm going to mark new zones for next week. So try to hold this price so that you not see I'm kind of creating it on my own. No, watch the next video how I will explain in deep detail how I get the new zones for next week from 4th of Monday, how you will see how it will respect the zones. So thank you, love you all. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. So peace.